Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. I hope February was a wonderful month for you. It was for me. I got shown a bunch of love from my hubby, so you know that always makes you feel wonderful. But for the month of March, I'm doing a jackfruit series. That's right, jackfruit. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can enjoy jackfruit. Jackfruit does not have protein, so you must add protein to it. So as you watch this video, I'll let you know which protein I added. So thank you for watching my videos and giving me thumbs up and subscribing. I thank you so much. Let's get started. We're making homemade enchiladas from the filling to the sauce. This is going to be easy, fun, and delicious. Black beans for the protein. Can't go wrong with this. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's, oh. Yes, lovely. Guys, y'all know, just looking at this dish, you want to eat it. It's so beautiful. It is so tasty. And I can't wait to taste it. Just to look at it lets me know it's going to bless me. It's going to do me good. So let's see what I did to this dish. Let's see if I can get it. Sometimes y'all just don't do what you want to do, but anywho, I finally got it. This jackfruit enchilada is amazing. It is so delicious. Yes, I struggled with getting a bite in my mouth, but once it was in there, shall we say, surprisingly pleasing. This dish, oh, it's so good. I give this dish a thumbs up. 10. If I had 10 thumbs, I'll give it to it because this dish is amazing. Guys, please make this dish. Take my recipes, make them your own. Do whatever you want to do to them. That's what it's for. That's what we do as cooks. We we take recipes that we see or that we had as a child or growing up even, or eat out at a restaurant, and you're like, how can I make that better? That's what I do. So I'm a home cook. I'm a Southern girl. My mother was born in Detroit, but she brought me here, so I ain't mad at her. But listen, guys, thank you for watching this video. Cook it, taste it, tag me, and let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. I'll see you next time in my kitchen. So good. Guys, this enchilada, this let it keep rolling. I'll fix it.